Hey everybody, thanks for taking the time to watch this video, even though you haven't watched it yet, but I'm thanking you in advance. We're going to be going over highlighting flames, real fire flames, on a motorcycle fairing using an airbrush. I'll be using Candy 2.0 by Createx with their Balancing Clear, as well as their, I believe, 4030 or 4020 thinner. If you like it, hit the like button, subscribe. I will have better content, I promise. Higher quality content, I can promise that. And comment if you have a comment. It's pretty self-explanatory. Thanks a lot. Okay, so what we're going to be doing here is highlighting the real fire flames with yellow. I had a little bit of a run on the left side as you look at it, but we're going to be concentrating on the highlight where we're going to work on right now. Bing! And we will be using Candy Yellow with the Balancing Clear. It is Candy H2O by Createx, and I love this stuff. I think it's great. It's not as toxic, and it's harder to get your colors to really show, but you know, you're going to see in this video that it really looks good. So we're just taking the shield, highlighting, wherever we think the hottest point of the flames are. You see right there, I'm using a Harder & Steenbeck airbrush, which I love for detail stuff. Adding little embers. Trying to decide where the shield's going to go. And you can't use a shield 100% of the time. You have got to have enough control in the airbrush to freehand it. Little highlights here and there. Be patient with your flames, build them up, layer them, use inner coat, especially with the Candy H2Os, the water-based, or else they're all going to bleed together. You want to keep those colors separate, but when the clear hits it, as you know, it's going to really pop. And so this is a yellow-white mixture, 1 drop of white with, I believe, 10 drops of yellow with Balancing Clear, 10% thinner. So we're just going to go through, just highlight the areas, tighten it down, make the flame make sense. If that makes, if you could grasp that. Just make the fire look like fire, and it's going to be layered. The darker colors are going to be to the outside. The white and the bright yellow is going to be towards the center of the flame. You're going to get frustrated, but don't give up. Just keep trying. Just don't make your fire look like seaweed. Freehanding the highlights. I think now I'm going to go with heavy yellow, because right now it still doesn't look like it should look. Like Mike Lavelli used to say, you go from a crisp to or from a hard line to soft. Hard line to soft. That's what flames are. Forgive the pause for whatever reason. I must be grabbing. Oh, please like and subscribe. That's what I was doing. So, yeah, please like and subscribe. I will get more content. It'll be better content, and it'll be a higher quality content. Just bear with me. Still, I bet I'm trying to mix paint right now, and obviously, I was the one who did it, so that's what I was doing. Yeah, I don't know. I should be doing, I should come back here. I could tell a joke. If you could see me, I could do some magic while we have this intermission. There you go. Candy. Oh, Candy 2.0. I thought it was Candy H2O. Candy 2.0. The 4030 balancing clear. And the 4020 reducer. Always try to follow the manufacturer's instructions. I know that sounds silly, but a lot of people try to use something else or come up with their own concoction. You're going to be happy that you followed the manufacturer's recommendations when you do your clear, though. And those of you who have clear coated understand what I'm talking about. So I must be stirring it right now. So, if I could beatbox, I would. I'm getting ready to start spraying again. Oh, I'm going to higher, more concentrated yellow now after the white highlights. So I'm going to go Candy 2.0 with the balancing clear and the reducer. And we're going to really start, layering on that yellow, because you can't just go with one pass. You're going to have to go 3 or 4 or 5 passes, or probably 4 solid passes in order to get a good color. Hopefully you're not asleep by now. But you can see that yellow is really starting to pop. It's starting to really look like fire, and then it's going to blend up into the orange and then red. Then I'm going to flip it to the other side. And remember, when that clear hits it, it's going to make all the candies look that much more deep in color and rich. It's going to really saturate it, and it's going to add layers to your flames. That yellow's looking nice. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. But I already know that, but I figure everybody else on YouTube says it, so I might as well say it too. At least my camera work's getting a lot better. So let's see what else. Still, layering the yellow. After I layer the yellow, I'm going to come back with just a little bit of white yellow, just to highlight some areas, and then I'll clear coat over the top of that. But I think that looks great. I don't know. Leave in the comments how you think it looks. Don't be a hater. Let's see. Video's almost over. I don't know if there's anything else that's going to be a groundbreaking, just an overall look, I think, of the fairing, which I think was killer. And like I said, once it gets cleared, it's going to look amazing. Thank you for watching. Sub, and I'll make it happen. Thank you.